What's up? Thanks for hanging out. Today we're going to be going over Irish coffees. What am I doing talking about some Irish coffee? So a family friend showed me this recipe who has Irish neighbors, and they co-signed saying the recipe was legit and they were in fact quite nice. Pretty simple recipe. A few things you'll need. First and foremost, Jameson, some brown sugar, some heavy whipping cream, and then coffee. I'd recommend drip coffee, but we don't have a drip coffee maker, so you're gonna have to resort to the old pour over. Hashtag bouge life. I swear I'm not a hipster. So first, we'll pour out some Jameson. The downside about the pour over is that after about the first one, it's definitely gonna get cold. And this is typically a drink you want to enjoy while warm. You know, it warms you up kind of towards the end of the day. Get you going. And then like about modest spoonful of brown sugar. Mix it up till it dissolves. And then the heavy whipping cream. If you've got some kind of a shaker, this is one way to do it. We're going crazy. Secure the lid and also make sure it's all secure because I did not do that last time.
I didn't close it.
So 3 minutes is about the optimum time for this. Oh shit! Oh, I did it again! Oh damn it! Come on, bro. Making Irish coffee, yeah, right? Okay, feeling good. That's it, we're secure. 3 minutes on the clock. Okay. As I was saying, 3 minutes. Magic time, because I did do it 5 minutes the first time, and it was a little too whipped. And so you want it to be able to pour on top of the coffee after we pour that in, and that's the goal here. So you don't want something like you would spray out of the can. This is more of just it kind of layers on top, and then while you're drinking, you get a little bit of that cream with the coffee and everything else, and it's just a nice time. Work day's over. It's the weekend. We're on quarantine, but you know, it's little things like this. Find something to look forward to, or just kind of like, hey man, today's different, which I think is one of the more important things during these strange times we're in. Pro tip. 30 seconds! Shout out Doug for the recipe also. That was the family member. We are clear. Okay, and actually I do like to pour it into Pyrex just to make the pouring a little smoother. Also I got this ball in here and that can get a little hairy. Okay, so that, we'll see. I feel like I probably could have gone a little more. Actually, that looks alright. Okay, so let's assemble. First, we'll pour some coffee. Leave a little bit of room at the top, obviously, for the cream we just worked so hard at. Probably could have left a little more room. Give it a little stir. And then we're pouring. See, it just sort of creates that layer. Boom, beautiful. That is what we want. And there you go, Irish coffee. And that's an Irish coffee. Thanks for checking it out. Now, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna have an Irish coffee.